In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your sales invoices in Xero. This process is quick and easy, taking just around 5 minutes. Let's get started by logging into your Xero account. Head over to the Xero accounting software website and click on login at the top right corner. If you already have your email and password saved, you can proceed right away. Otherwise, enter your login details carefully to ensure you gain access to your account without any hitches. Once you've entered your email and password, click login again to access your Xero dashboard. Now that you're logged in and sitting on the dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the settings. Look for your company name in the upper right hand corner of the screen. Clicking on it will provide you with a drop down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will guide you to a new page where you can configure various aspects related to your Xero account. Here you want to look for the invoice settings option. Clicking on this will lead you to where you can customize your invoice template, including adding a logo. On the invoice settings page, you'll notice an option labeled Upload Logo. Click on this and you'll be prompted to upload a file from your computer. When the file browser opens, click Browse, which will allow you to navigate through your device's files. Find where you've stored your logo image on your computer. Ensure that your logo is of a high quality format like JPEG or PNG for the best results. After locating your file, select it. This action will get the logo ready to upload. With your file selected, the next step is simple. You will notice the upload button on the screen. Click on it and the file will begin uploading. If everything goes smoothly, you'll see your logo appear in the designated area on your invoice settings page, confirming a successful upload. This effectively completes the process of customizing your invoices with your company's branding. And that's it, you have now successfully added your company logo to your sales invoices in Xero. This not only adds a professional touch to your invoices, but also promotes brand consistency across all your business communications. Remember, you can always come back and update or change your logo should the need arise. Adding your logo to invoices is a small but powerful way to make your business stand out. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Good luck with your invoicing and see you in the next video.